So I joined Intel at the HPC conference in the middle of the Kruger National Park to find out just what type of questions they're asking themselves in order to build solutions for the future.
Well, what's the future look like in terms of user use? What are users going to do? What are they going to need? What kind of applications will they run? How will they run it? What are the barriers to use and deployment of these kinds of services? What technologies are promising in solving some of those challenges? Delivery mechanisms like the cloud, new programming languages, new hardware and systems that facilitate energy efficiency and other means of building these large solution sets. So the conversation is all multifaceted, but is tied in one context, which is how do you take high-performance computing, which has been the essential tools of trade for a very select set of people, and make that an essential tool for broad society and democratize it. And the good thing is everybody has a role in it. It's no longer the purview of a government that funds it. It's no longer the purview of a hardware company that builds a system. It's no longer the purview of a select set of software vendors or system software vendors that make this possible. Everybody has to collaborate, from the applications that solve these next generation problems, to the infrastructure that deploys these applications, to the markets and business models that actually have to support everything from incentives to investments to make these happen. And finally, the human capital, the talent, the thing that I'm most excited about at this conference is to see the next generation of both users and builders of this capability start to get into that mode. What we are seeing is the democratization of HPC happening on multiple fronts. No longer is it just the tool of value for scientists and academics sitting in big labs and government labs in white coats solving very large scientific problems. With the advent of the availability of data, typically known as big data, there is a need to convert information to knowledge. And the high-performance computing tools that the industry has built, the expertise it has built, is now on center stage to be applied to this transformation of information to knowledge in a knowledge economy, in an era where knowledge is the next oil. We're all looking for the same thing, very timely answers and knowledge about something that's going to make our lives better. And so that's why HPC is such a tremendous, ubiquitous tool. And all that will differ is at what scale is it applied. Is it applied as very large exascale capability machines to solve grand challenges in science? Or it's applied in the future inside your laptop?